Hi guys, happy Friday. It's Melissa Thorsby and I'm in my kitchen again. Today I'm going to be making low carb blueberry scones. So when you hop on, say hi where you're watching from. I'm just outside Detroit, Michigan, and it's a beautiful sunny day here. I can't wait to enjoy this weekend. We're getting back in the 80s on Monday. I can't believe it. So say hi when you pop on, and I'm just going to get started. This is a recipe I've never tried before, but I'm excited because I love blueberry scones. Like, they're one of my favorite things. So let me get started. We're going to make this actually in a cast iron skillet. It's a 9-inch skillet. It's got butter in it, so it's been greased. And okay, so first I'm going to start with my sugar substitute. I use erythritol for everything. You can use monk fruit, stevia, whatever you like, but I use erythritol. It's my favorite, and I have a half a cup here. Actually, this is the powdered one. I'm sorry. That's going to be for icing. Half cup. Okay. Oops. Okay. And then next, I'm going to add melted butter. It's a little messy. Usually is when I melt it in my microwave. I make a mess. And I have 4 tablespoons of melted butter here. I use grass-fed butter. It just has better nutrients and vitamins in it. So we have sugar substitute, butter, and eggs. 3 organic cage-free eggs, and then we're going to blend that. Helps if I have part of my blender, so I'm going to grab it in a second here. We're going to cream this together like you would any baking. Get these open. All right, I'm going to set this on here. We're going to cream this together. I should mention my oven's already preheated at 350. Actually, I'm sorry, it should be 375. I'm going to change that. And then I'm going to add the sour cream. I have a half cup of full-fat sour cream. Let's turn this up. I'm going to add this right in here. That looks good. All right, I'm actually going to move this mixer back just so I can mix it a little better, because we're going to be working from this now. So add the sour cream right into this mixture. Okay, perfect. While that's mixing, I'm going to get out my blueberries. I bought frozen blueberries, just easier, and I keep them in my freezer for when I need them. Mix that just a little more. And now we can add some of the dry ingredients. Okay, that looks good. Next, I'm going to add a half a cup of almond flour. That's not a half cup. 1.5 cups. Finely milled almond flour. So if yours doesn't look like it's fine, you can always put it in like a coffee grinder, or I put it in my blender and it chops it up really fine. And then also my coconut flour, which is right here. Half cup of coconut flour. And baking powder and sea salt. So baking powder, we're doing 1.5 teaspoons. And sea salt, just a 1/4 teaspoon, just a pinch. I'm gonna mix that well. So that is it for the base of the scone. We're just going to fold in some blueberries, which I'm going to put in 1 cup. So I'm going to get my measuring cup. I'm going to put it away. You can guesstimate, you guys. You don't need to measure this out. We'll just do that. Okay? This looks good already. These are things my kids eat. So if you're looking for something that's not full of sugar for your kids for breakfast, seriously think about making stuff like this. You can tell it's not taking me very long to put this together. Here we go. 1 cup of blueberries. You don't have to defrost them before you do this. I'm just going to give this a quick mix, and then I'm going to pop this into my iron skillet here and cook them for 25 to 30 minutes. So let's take this. This is done. I'm going to put this in for about 25 minutes. I'm going to check it with a toothpick in a few hours, or sorry, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and see how it is. And that's at 375 for 25 minutes. So next I'm going to do the glaze. The glaze is super easy. Also, I don't buy powdered erythritol. What I do is I take my granular stuff and put it in a coffee grinder or a small blender and just make it powdered. It's easier and it's cheaper. So I have a 1/2 cup of powdered erythritol. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. One, 2. Okay. Oh, I missed some of the powdered sugar. Can't miss that. There we go. All right. And then we're going to take 1/2 teaspoon of lemon extract. Apparently I haven't opened this yet. Another thing you can add, which I don't have, and I really say, actually I might. Oh, I do. Lemon essential oils. It'll really give it a lemon flavor. I'm going to put a few drops in here because it really just kicks up that lemon flavor. I love it. Okay, and then one more thing in this is 1 to 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to start with 1 and see what it looks like, and then I can always add another one. Another spoon. What do I want to use? I'll just use a regular spoon. Mix this up. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drizzle this right on top after they've cooled. Oh yeah, that's perfect. I don't think I need any more heavy whipping cream. So just, and if it starts to harden before this gets done, just put it in the microwave for a minute, or not even a minute, a few seconds, and it'll loosen it up. But that's it. After this comes out, just let it cool. Almond flour, anything you cook with almond flour and coconut flour has to cool before you try to cut into it or it just disintegrates and falls apart. I've learned the hard way. Hey Shamika, how you doing? So thank you for joining me. I'm gonna show you guys what the finished product looks like and tastes like in just a moment here. So thank you for joining me. And if you guys like these recipes, let me know. I have my free keto community here on Facebook that I share recipes like this all the time, multiple times a day. And I actually have a meal plan that I send out with my 10-day challenges, which I'm doing right now. So if you're curious about that, let me know, and I'd be happy to chat with you. Thank you for joining me, guys. Have a great Friday.